If you're thinking about using DigitalOcean for your web hosting or website software, there are a few things you should know before making that decision. Compared to some of the bigger players like AWS, Google Cloud, or even more user-friendly options like Bluehost or SiteGround, DigitalOcean offers a range of benefits, but it's not for everyone. Stick around until the end to get the full picture and find out if it's the right fit for your needs. First thing you need to know is that DigitalOcean is primarily aimed at developers. While platforms like Wix or Squarespace make it easy to set up a website with drag and drop builders, DigitalOcean's approach is more hands-on. You'll need some technical knowledge, especially if you're planning to use their more advanced features, like custom server setups or managing your own cloud infrastructure. Next thing, DigitalOcean offers a variety of cloud services, from virtual machines, called droplets, to managed databases and storage solutions. Their simplicity is a big draw compared to the more complex offerings from competitors like AWS, which can overwhelm new users. But remember, if you need something beyond just hosting, like content delivery networks or machine learning tools, you might want to look elsewhere. The third thing to consider is pricing. DigitalOcean is generally cheaper than AWS or Google Cloud, especially when you're starting out. Their pricing is very predictable, which is a huge benefit for small businesses or personal projects. The plans start as low as $5 per month, and it's easy to scale as your needs grow. However, while they are cheaper, some competitors offer more generous features or additional support at the same price. The fourth thing is their performance. DigitalOcean's infrastructure is fast, especially for basic web hosting. If you're running a simple website or a blog, it's more than enough. But if you're dealing with complex high-traffic applications or enterprise-level services, services like AWS or Google Cloud may offer more robust, scalable performance options. The fifth thing to note is ease of use. While it's developer-friendly, DigitalOcean isn't the easiest platform for beginners. Some users may find the control panel a bit tricky if they're not familiar with cloud hosting. In comparison, platforms like Bluehost offer more intuitive user interfaces. But if you've got some technical know-how, DigitalOcean's interface gives you a lot of power. Next thing, let's talk about support. DigitalOcean provides a range of tutorials, an active community forum, and ticket-based support. However, unlike the 24/7 phone support that competitors like SiteGround offer, you may have to wait a bit longer to get responses to your queries. This could be an issue for those who need instant assistance. The seventh thing is the security features. DigitalOcean includes automatic backups and basic firewalls on their droplet plans, which is great for most small to medium websites. However, if you need more advanced security features like DDoS protection or enterprise-level encryption, competitors might have the edge. The eighth thing is scalability. While DigitalOcean allows you to scale up as your business grows, it's not quite as easy as platforms like AWS, where you can scale horizontally by adding servers at the click of a button. You may need a bit more hands-on management when expanding your DigitalOcean setup. The ninth thing you should know is their storage options. DigitalOcean's block storage is fairly priced, but if you need large-scale, high-performance storage, it's worth comparing with AWS's Elastic Block Storage or Google's persistent disks. They are more customizable and offer higher performance for demanding applications. Next up, let's talk about integrations. DigitalOcean has a wide range of integrations with popular tools like GitHub, WordPress, and Docker. But if you're planning to integrate with something more niche, you might run into some limitations compared to the wide range of tools supported by AWS or Azure. The 11th thing to consider is the community. DigitalOcean has one of the best developer communities around, with tons of tutorials and guides that make it easier to troubleshoot and get up to speed. This is something that sets them apart from some of their competitors, which don't have such a strong developer community. Finally, if you're looking for a fully managed service, DigitalOcean might not be the best fit. They do offer managed services like their managed databases, but for fully managed websites, you might want to look at companies like SiteGround, which handle everything for you. If you prefer to manage everything on your own and save some money, DigitalOcean's a great choice. To wrap up,